So following on from this product, which was pretty useless, after working it in, I just think this is a teacup. Okay, I'm just going to test a small area. I don't know if you can see that scratch there. And some hairline scratches here. Just going to give it a quick wipe over with a wet wipe. Scratches are still there. So, spray on, wash it off. I don't know. I can still see a scratch. Still see that scratch, definitely. That is definite scratch there. Let's give it another squirt. So this is the nano spray from eBay. Removes all scratches. Well, it hasn't moved that one yet. Let's see how much it removes. Not rubbing hard enough, maybe. I have bought some buffing pads.
A few moments later.
Next, but that is definitely there. So, thumbs down so far for the nano spray. It takes a few goes. We'll see. Still there. Right. If you can't do that little one, what's he going to do with this? That one up there.
A few moments later.
That's paint on completely, so he's not going to do that. Something blew off, look. There. That's a stretch too far for that. Right, so here is another eBay purchase, which is car scratch and swirl remover. I would say it comes with some instructions on the back, but the actual product itself looks smaller in real life than it does in the picture on eBay. So let's give it a go. So yeah, you have to pierce the top, and again you get the stuff all over you. So that's everything. Always get the best. Get yourself a tissue. Right, let's try it out on the same scratch as before, which you can still see there. That's what I'm trying to remove, and that's what I had to go up with the other one, and it failed. And it also failed on that. Can you see it? See that? Failed there as well. So let's have a go. Is it working? Let's give it a moment to dry.
A few moments later.
So, after working it in, I just think this is a teacup put in a smaller tube and sold more expensive. That's what I think it is. Anyway, let's see how it buffs up. Okay, so what have we got? Still there. Got rid of some, but it's not great. Yeah. Right. So I think that's a thumbs down for that scratch remover. Let's try the tried and tested Colour Fast teacup and see what that can make of it. While that's drying, let's try some. So I've ordered a dent removal kit to get that out there. That's going to be another video, but there are some sort of hairline scratches around it and around the door panel here, and some horrible scratches there. So I'm just going to try see if these come out with this scratch remover, which I think is teacup, and then I can use the other teacup with other additive in it to see if that does any better. So let's see how this buffs out, shall we? That's a better job, and I've just spent literally a couple of minutes on buffing it. So good old T-cut did its job. I mean, obviously there are a few really sort of deeper blemishes which I can feel it's not going to get that out. Maybe keep working it. I think it's almost down to the prime of that, but the colour faster sort of filled it in a little bit. That's not too bad, that. Let's try have a go at the other side. See, full of scratches on this side. That's a nasty one going down there. And there this dent is. So I'm going to try this again, which didn't work on the other side, so I don't know why I think it's going to work on this side. Which is roughly the same consistency of the original T-cut. I'm not saying it is, but yeah, this might be lack of instructions. So you actually know we're going to do it right, but you know, we've supplied it right across. Chips I've done over the years. Not too bad, how the dent was. Has worked to some degree, to give it a little bit of credit. But these heavy scratches, it's not managed to do at all. So let's try T-cut. T-cut. Admittedly, this has a slight advantage over the other one, that it is actually a blue, and it does sort of fill in the scratches with their blue colour up. But still, let's see how this buffs. But if you keep repeating the process, you'll get rid of it completely, because it's nowhere near as bad as before. Good. So our next step is a dent repair to get some of these dents out, like that one there. I don't know if you can see it, very slight, and some dents on the front wing. Please like and subscribe and keep watching out for more videos. Thank you for watching. Rusty Restos.